My name is Troy Hatch. I am with Phil Great, and on behalf of Sally Harrison, who's the president of the Mesa Chamber of Commerce, and the other ambassadors here, and everybody else here, we are here off of Wrecker and Main Street at Brookdale East Arbor, which is a grand opening with a specialty. And Samantha, who is the executive director, is going to say a few words, and then after that, Council Member Doreen Taylor.
Hi, thank you everyone for being here and joining us. We are so excited to launch our Heart Health Specialty Assisted Living program. Our staff has been working so hard to learn all about the cardiovascular system, heart health, symptoms that they need to watch for, and the urgency of each of them. We have informed all of our residents of their own conditions so that they can help monitor their symptoms. And we actually partner with local cardiologists for ongoing education for both residents and staff. So we're very excited to announce this launch and thank you for being here.
Hi, this is Councilmember Dorian Taylor, and I want to say thank you, Samantha, and thank you to Brookdale. Thank you to your whole team. Thank you, everyone behind me and with the Mesa Chamber of Commerce. Very excited to have this grand opening here in District 2. And we're very grateful for all the work that Brookdale does to care for family members and loved ones. And very excited that everyone was able to get trained on heart health tips and how to look out for early warning signs. So I'm wishing everyone here the best with this new grand opening. Very grateful for all of you. Thank you for the Mesa Chamber. Thanks, Troy.
You're welcome.
5, 4,